Hello, phone.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, good morning, phone. How are you today, phone?
Con xin nghỉ nhiều.
That's great. I'm great. Do you have any plans today? What will you do in the afternoon, phone? What will you do in the afternoon? Are you going to swim?
Được.
Oh no, you won't. Wait, did you just wake up?
Yeah.
Oh no. I think you sleep late last night, Fawn. Did you eat your breakfast already?
No.
Are you hungry now?
No.
Oh, well, that is a good thing. So let us start right away. Let me share my screen, and I see that we will be focusing only in your workbook. Okay, so now we'll have this one. So in here, all you have to do is to fill in the chart. Okay,
When
so
does she wake?
yeah, when does he wake up? Can you fill in the chart, Fong? Can you use your pen to fill in the chart? He wakes up at 7:15 in the morning. Very good, Fong. Now, when does he go to bed? Okay. Yes, there you have it, 10 o'clock at night. When does she go to school? She goes to school at 8:30 in the morning. Okay, and when does she come home? She comes home at 4:45 in the afternoon. There you have it. Thank you so much for that, Fawn. Now, let us proceed to another activity. So, in here, all you have to do is to connect it. Okay? So, here is the picture, Fawn. Can you tell me your answer here? Mm-hmm. She, okay, she wakes up.
Chấm, chấm, chấm.
You
Con
can
bị
just
nói
use
rồi nè.
the line for, okay, she wakes up at 7 o'clock. Okay, yes, very well done. In the morning. What about for the second picture here? Mhm. Okay, now in here for our subject is she, which means we are not going to use the base form of the verb, which is eat. Okay, we will use eats. She eats a snack at 3 o'clock in. Okay, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Fong. Evening, Fong, it starts at 6 o'clock. Okay? Mm-hmm. He plays the guitar at 6:15 in the evening. Very good for that. What about for 4? He, take your time. Okay, he watches TV at 8:30 at night. Well done, Fung. That is correct. Thank you. Now, let us proceed in here. Okay, so you will be filling in your answers here. What about you? When do you wake up, Fung? Can you answer it in a complete sentence? I wake up at. When do you wake up? When do you wake up? At 7:30 in the morning. Okay. Now, when do you go to school? Okay, I go to school at. What time does your school start? You're very silent, Fong. 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, really? What time does your school start, Fong? 8:30? 8:30? So you go to school at 8 o'clock, which means your school maybe starts at 8:20 or 8:30. Okay, now what about for 3? When do you come home? Or you can speak out your answers for no need to write them. Oh, okay, at 3:15 in the afternoon. Okay. And I go to bed. Let me see. What time do you go to bed? Oh, okay, at 9:45 at night. Okay, so that's still early, Pong. 9:45. Okay, so I believe today you sleep in. That's why when we started our class, you just woke up. Okay, well done, Pong. Now let us proceed to the next one. Okay, so in here we have the subjects. Okay, can you tell me, Fong, which picture shows PE? Okay, very good. What about science? Science. Or you can proceed with the easier ones if you don't. Okay, music. Okay, very good. Social studies. Okay, art, math. Great job. Okay. So let us proceed here. Okay, so in here you have to tell me the subjects. Or, yeah, don't write your answers, Fong. Just tell me, okay? So we can practice your communication skills as well. Can you tell me what subject is it?
Social study.
Okay, social studies. What about this one?
Music.
What about this? What subject is it?
Science.
What subject is it? It's
Art.
very good. What subject is it?
E.
What subject is it?
Math.
Well done. Okay. Great job, Fong. You're able to remember and apply what you have learned before. Now, in here, you have to fill in. Okay, so his favorite subject is PE. Okay, we have here jump rope. Now, what about her? What's her favorite subject? You can just tell me, Fong. Okay, is math. Don't forget to add period at the end of your sentence. What about her? What is her favorite subject? Are you typing it, Fong? You can always just speak up, okay? No need to write all your answers, Fong. Okay, her favorite subject is, okay, so it's social studies. Okay, social studies, Fong. Okay, there you have it. That's fine. Now, let us have this matching. No need to write it, Fong. Just tell me your answers. Okay, tell me your answers. What's his favorite subject? It's music. What about in here? What's her?
Favorite subject.
Okay, can you connect it? Fong,
Okay.
what's her favorite subject?
Her favorite subject
Yeah, what's her favorite subject? It's
is science.
very good. Now, what about
What
for
is
3?
his favorite subject?
What's his favorite subject?
Is art.
Okay, great job. There you have it. So, wait, let us proceed. In here, we have here classes. Okay, can you tell me what class is this?
Monday.
Having- Okay, they're having English class. It's an English class. What about this one?
The class.
Okay, karate class. What about this one, Fong?
This class.
Okay, very good. And the last one?
This swimming class.
Do you have a swimming class, Fong?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. Now, aside from English, what other classes do you have? Do you have math class? Do you have karate class? Vietnamese class? Art class?
Yeah, English class.
Okay. Oh, just English class. Now, let us have this one for. So, John goes to English class on Mondays. Okay, here is John. Okay, John goes to English class on Mondays.
Goes
What about for
to
two?
Friday class on Tuesday.
Okay,
Then
Tuesdays.
goes to dance class on Wednesday.
Wednesdays. And last
Tom
one, Fung.
Tom goes to swim class on Thursday.
Great job! And by the way, Fong, if you have observed in here, it's not just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's S with S, okay? Mondays, which means it's not only that certain day of the week, Fong, but it's every week. Okay, Jan goes to English class every Monday. Okay, on Mondays. Okay, so now let us proceed in here. Okay, so please look at the given table here as it will guide you in answering the activity. Okay, so now when does he or she go to English class? Is it he or she? Who has an English class? Please take a closer look at the table given here for.
When does
Do you want to drink
when
water
does
for?
he go to English class?
Okay, very good. When does he go to English class for?
He goes to English class on Thursday.
On Fridays for
Friday.
Fridays. See, English class is on Friday. Now, what about for two? Yeah, you can do that, Fung. You can do that. Okay, what
When
about for
does
two?
he go to dance class?
Okay, yes, dance class.
He goes to dance class on Monday.
Well done, Mondays. Okay,
When
last
does
one.
he go to
When does he go
swimming
to?
class?
Mhm.
He goes
Okay, thank you so much for that, Fung. You nailed it. I see. Now, what about you? Can you tell me? I go to blank class on. What class do you go to?
I go to English class.
I go to English class on when? When do you go to your English class, Fung? I go to on. What is it too? What is that? Monday? Okay.
Just I
Monday. Oh, Mondays, Tuesdays, Mondays and Tuesdays. Okay, Mondays and Tuesdays. Okay, thank you for that, Fong. Now, let us proceed to another one. So, in here, we have a story that you have to put into the correct order. Okay, can you tell me what happened first, what happened next, what happened last, Fong? Hi, can you play soccer? Hello? Yes, I can. Let's play. Can you number it 1, 2, and 3? You've got this. Fool.
Hello.
Okay,
Soccer.
hello. Next one.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's right.
Well done. Okay, and just like that, we are done. And let us proceed to matching. Do you want to drink water, Fong? Because I have observed from the beginning, from the start of our class, you keep on yawning. Do you want to drink water? You can drink water, Fong.
Soccer.
Okay. Can you play soccer?
Yes, I can.
Okay, yes,
So,
I can. Hello. Hi, okay, do
yes,
you speak English?
I do.
Very good.
Yes,
Goodbye.
see you.
Well done, Fung. Thank you so much for that. Okay, let us have this one now. Okay, so fill in the missing words to complete the dialogue. Okay, hello. Mm-hmm. Hi. Okay. Do you? Mm-hmm. Okay, do you speak English? Now, it is a question, Fong. So we will add the question mark. Yes, I do. Can you? Mhm. Can you play soccer? Still, it is a question, Fong. You have to add a question mark. Okay. Yes, I can. Let's play. Okay, there you have it, Fong. So we just have to continue working on with the usage of punctuations. Now, in here, I want you to write. Okay, so goodbye. See you. Bye. Do you want to draw? Can you draw, Fong, or no? Can you draw? Hi, Fong. Can you draw, Fong?
Right.
Okay. Are you writing it?
Now,
Okay. And the last one is bye. Okay. Do you want to draw? What about the people in here? Do you want to draw or no? No, you don't? No. Okay, so now let us proceed to another one. Okay, so in here, you have to tell me the country. Okay, can you unscramble this one? What flag is it?
Egypt,
What? Very good, Egypt. What about this one? What flag is it?
South Korea,
Well done. What flag is it?
Hmm,
Canada. And the last one, what flag is it?
Brazil.
Okay, very good, Fong. Now I know probably you are hungry, so let us stop in here and continue the rest next time. Thank you so much, Fong. Goodbye and enjoy the rest of your day.
Bye, teacher.